But अभी जो latest education policy आई है, it is very interesting, and because I personally have no idea how this is going to work out because I haven't conducted any case studies so far personally. तो मुझे आइडिया नहीं है, बट अगर बाहर का कॉन्सेप्ट देखें तो इज दैट रियली एप्लीकेबल इन इंडिया फॉर द काइंड ऑफ क्राउड वी हैव हियर, और वुड
So
इट टेक अ फ्यू इयर्स टू बिल्ड इट अप, और इम्प्लीमेंटेशन में अभी टाइम लगेगा? हाउ डू यू सी दिस होल थिंग?
कि आइडिया लेवल में बहुत अच्छा है, राइट?
Okay, you agree to
It's a
that idea
66
is really
page,
good.
yeah, 66 page document. I haven't read the entire thing. I mostly read the preamble, like what they hope to do. And even within that document, I had a cursory view. They have not elaborated on the mechanisms, right? But one of the thing that we, at least I think education system has is there's a trickle down system. So it takes 10 to 20 years for any research work to trickle down to your textbook.
Right.
Right. Similarly, any educational change that you make, you first have to train the teachers, which is something that they're saying that they will do. Then these teachers have to be ready for that change, and then transfer that change to
There is an
students.
entire generation that you have to train. So that
Oh,
takes how many years as per you?
not just one generation, right? You also have to train their trainers. So you have to train at
I'm
least two
talking about the
generations.
trainers. I'm talking the trainer generation. I'm talking about the trainer generation. That
Trainer
is
of the trainers,
trainer
right?
of the trainer.
Somebody has to train the trainer, right?
Exactly. Now, how would you get such a mass of expertise in such a short time where you can actually,
So
implement this kind of policy?
I have been following some of the teachers in different places. So, and I have found that people, especially younger than me, who have or a lot in my age. So I will like to call myself millennial if I can, right?
Yeah, absolutely. You're after
We can,
83, so you're a millennial. I
yeah,
think
yeah. So that's
after
fine.
83, everybody's
85, yeah. So
you're a
millennial, right?
millennial.
So yeah, seeing younger children, I sometimes get a bit
Yeah,
nervous.
the thing is
Yeah,
that guys currently in their ages, in this situation, even at 35 and at their 40s, are having a kind of that imagery of boyhood still very you know cumulatively imprinted in the memory. That is
yeah.
somewhere existing in the generation. Like हमारे dad log थे, they were like very adult, right? They were like very papa
Dad.
type, they were like papa. We are like friends with like जितनी भी छोटी generation आ जाए, we are very upfront and friendly, and that is a very good thing, very good change that is supposed to be there,
Yeah,
right? और वो रहता है that
लाइक वो
happens.
संतूर का ऐड नहीं आता था, त्वचा को देख के उम्र का पता नहीं चलता,
Or
राइट?
somehow it's just happening with maybe we are with the thought process, we are looking a bit immature as well with the age.
मे
That
बी.
may be happening because
सो
they look
देयर
very
वाज
rugged
वन,
and mature
so
by the age.
yeah, there's a distinction that was made early on between adults and youth, right? So you are not a teenager, but you're not an adult. So I guess the average age of youth has actually gone up.
Yeah. People want to be young for much more time, the enthusiasm of that
Now,
youngness.
I want to look old, right? Because when I entered the IT setup, the librarian was like, "आपको कहाँ जाना है?"
You should change
Because
the
that
norm,
was
of course. You should, yeah, that's you. That's what you're doing. You should be really happy. Why would you want to get old? You're changing the norm,
people in my profession. People take you seriously if you have white hair, right? Especially students.
shock them, sweep them
Yeah.
off the
Anyway,
feet. That's
so
one
yeah,
thing.
I was yeah. So what I've seen is ki we are talking about educational policy, right?
Right.
So what I've seen is ki there are recent teachers who have gone out of their way to improve things. So I know of one of my personal friend who is actually what you will call as a physical trainer, but he is a national level football player. He also thinks about research in uh, physical exercises. So he wanted to link cognitive science and football. How exactly do footballers think? How does game cognition work? Right. So people are trying to do things on their own life, on their own. Similarly, there are certain government schools close to Kanpur where people are trying to bring augmented reality and all that into teaching by themselves in government schools.
Okay.
So there is a bottom up thing that is happening, but those are very few. So the idea is that things have to happen both in a bottom up manner, where we are able to identify these people who are genuinely doing things and trying to encourage that and spread that, while at the same time having these nice policies that the government has brought in order to improve education policy. But I guess the aim is still optimistic कि कितनी जल्दी हो जाएगा. That is pretty much like
very optimistic, I would say, क्योंकि आपको जिस तरह
electric car
talent
वाले से
hunt
भी
करना
ज़्यादा.
पड़ेगा to get the right teacher with the right attitude for that kind of education. I don't know, मतलब that seems like just a thought experiment rather than a real experiment, as to me.
I guess there's a greater probability of getting electric cars running on the road with
Yeah,
full
definitely.
service.
They are already here. Kia has already taken them, taken initiative last year with the Auto Expo. So वो तो ला ही रहे हैं, and then Tata might be, stepping into this. Tesla is already trying to make a mark. So they would definitely come along. But ये education policy, it's very, very difficult for me. Can you help me make it a possibility? Can you make it create a vision in me where this could be possible? Can you help me with that?
In this situation, what often happens is we try to blame the government, right? Ki
I'm not blaming the government.
I'm saying you as in one.
Okay,
one generally
one
likes
generation,
to.
okay.
Not you.
Okay.
Right. So one generally tries to blame the government. But my idea is that people themselves have to change, right? Now, one of the reasons we don't change is because we have this tendency of something that is known as status quo. We want to maintain status quo. जो जैसा चला आ रहा है, हमें वैसा ही रखना है. But we can change that by putting forward role models. For example, the two examples that you gave, right? So if we are able to identify such people and they say, look, these are the kind of role models that we are looking up to in terms of education. So once people have better role models to look at, so instead of thinking about how my teacher taught 10 years back, if I have better people who I can see and then model my teaching style after, definitely it would be better.
But being a teacher is the kind of responsibility that is that only one in a few thousand is capable of controlling that kind of behavior that a teacher needs to possess, because the kind of difficulty that he has to come across every day, the way of he or she has to control themselves in their families, in the classes, because the social, as more and more, the more you engage with people, the more kind of situations you come across, right? Or the kind of attitude that is required for a teacher, that has to be a balance of being a friend plus being a strict individual or a strict teacher, being a guiding mentor as well as a storyteller. So the kind of teacher the mass needs at this time, because since everybody is not on the same platform, so a teacher has to be extremely flexible.
Welcome to the Urban Yogi Club.